days. Carowinds is now closed. We hope you've had an enjoyable day and look forward to seeing you again soon.
Of Carowinds, 50 Nights of Fire will begin in just 10 minutes. Fire. 50 years ago, there was a declaration that here, spanning across the state lines of these two great Carolinas, would be a place to laugh, a place to enjoy, and a place to create memories. Visionary E. Pat Hall once said, Carowinds would be a place where no idea was too bold and no challenge too great. Tonight, we celebrate that promise in the place where the Carolinas come together.
Laughter and cheer for everyone. The adventure continues. The adventure continues. Time after time, climb to the sky is met with the thrill of the wind rushing by, and the adventure continues. The adventure continues. Life is full of mysteries. Greatest characters have been a big part of our park. These heartwarming, memorable characters have been our gateway toward escape and enjoyment.
Cartoon friends with funny faces, chicks and those with easy chases. You are the wacky races live in my TV. My friends with Fred who yells out, yum, 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 and do. Who's a buddy Barney too? And Scooby Dooby, where are you? I'm up that chocolate there, I knocked him until I hurt. And when it's banana split, you don't eat them for dessert. Bristol House is not a stranger. He stays land to where in danger. Don't keep there on Sparks the Ranger, all in my TV. Those happy friends live in my TV.
All the Charlie Browns in the world. Charlie Brownie. Thanks, old guy. Good grief.
Carowinds has always been home to celebrations, and holiday celebrations are no exception. As the days grow shorter and the nights grow longer, Carowinds becomes Scarowinds, a celebration of all that is spooky and ghoulish delight. real magic of celebration arrives at the end of the year during Winterfest, when the park is blanketed in the warmth and the soul of the holiday season. With the Carowinds' journey half a century old, the original promise of fun, memories, and bringing the Carolinas together has been upheld. And as we approach the next 50 years and beyond, Carowinds will be here for all of us. Because Carowinds is you. Your laughter, your excitement, your sense of adventure, and your heart. Together, that is Carowinds.
We're gonna have this fun.
Thank you for celebrating 50 years of laughter, joy, and memories with us. We hope you had the best adventure ever at Carowinds. From our family to yours, we wish you safe travels and hope to see you again soon. Good night.